Here's the walk around of the 86 Truneo. I'm going to do a complete walk around, then I'll dive into any defects I see on the exterior, interior, all that fun stuff. Okay, for the front, it just has these rock chips here. It's got a new front lip, of course, aftermarket. But other than the bumper, you don't see many rock chips other than here. The headlights are beautiful. Everything works and looks great. The paint is in really good shape. There's just a little bit of dirt there, probably from when I drove it. Antennas there. No rust there. It looks like just old age on the window there, which is good. Can't really see signs of it being painted until you get really close. I think I saw it at one point. I'll show you when I get there. But, oh, here. So the tiniest little bit there. But everything else looks amazing. It's resprayed really well. And this is carb compliant for California, which is awesome. Even the door sill looks really, really good. The handle is just stiff, just sticks up. So when you open the door, you just gotta push it down. Probably just needs something loosened up. But the body is super clean and straight. There's a tiniest little pin, not dent, but coming outwards. See, oh, the rear window. Yeah, see, it's hard to see if this was ever resprayed, but it was at some point. But it looks great. Rear bumper has, someone bumped into it at some point. It's got all these cracks here, but I mean, it's not flexing or anything. Tiniest little guy right there, and there. This little boo-boo here, not sure what that is. Yeah, you can see just a little bit there where respray was. Rat caught in there somewhere at some point. Yeah, again, the paint and the body is just so good. Looks beautiful. All right, interior. See, the door cards look great. It's a little bit of dirt down there from driving. The only thing that I've seen so far is that they installed this for the wipers, because this here has the metal piece missing to stick onto there, so it doesn't work if you turn it. But I have turned the metal piece, this, and the wipers do work. So it just needs a new insert there or a new piece. AC works, heat works. It's very beautiful inside here. Some minor scratches there. Rear seats look amazing. Headliner looks amazing. This pops. And door card on this side looks great. Tiniest little cut there. Missing the floor mat on this side. Tiny little crack right there. Tiny little crack right there. Everything else looks awesome. Something was stuck on right here at some point. Here's the engine bay. I'll show you the engine bay and do a cold start. It's got a really nice titanium rod. But as you can see, no rust. Everything's in beautiful condition. Excuse my nose. Allergies are crazy right now. Even up here, no rust. The engine valve cover could use a paint, you know, just a little refresher, or keep it that way for some character. Here's a cold start. So this is the header. If it's previously warmed up, this would be burning my hands. It's not, so it's true cold start. Make sure it's in neutral. Oil pressure's coming up, looks great. Coolant low. Coolant temperature low. No ticks, no knocking, no weird engine noises. No smoke coming out the exhaust. Sounds good. All right, let's do a slight little rev just to show any engine noise that might be hidden. Beautiful. All right, getting ready for the drive. Just want to show the lights do work. They pop up, brights, everything, and have them go down. Beautiful. All right, here we go on a drive. Clutch engagement is beautiful. Second gear, beautiful. The rear diff is very, very aggressive. You hear it clunking and engaging. We'll test it out here once we get onto the road. I think it's just one of those things. It's like I don't know what kind of diff it would be. I'll check with the owner and see, but she is aggressive. Let's do this uncut. Okay, here we go. Yeah, works good. It's just loud. I think it might be some of the bushings that were replaced too. It got really stiff underneath there. But she drives beautifully. This is fourth gear. Oop, fourth gear here. And drives great. We're at 3,000 RPMs. Here's fifth. 80 kilometers an hour. This is a very bumpy country road here, so we'll see if there's any issues with the suspension, bushings, anything in general. Big bump right there, no problems. Oh, cool little K-truck. Here's a bigger bump. Beautiful. No issues, no weird noises. Testing the AC out right now. Let's see. If I could get the camera to look over that way. Let's see here. Starting to pump out some cold air now. Could probably use a recharge. It's not as cold as I'd like to feel it right off the bat, but it's pretty solid. Test the heat out. Heat's coming on right away. Perfect. Okay, downshift second here. Power, it feels like the power delivery feels great on this thing. Feels beautiful. Cornering is great. The owner did drive this car all the way up from California when he originally bought it, so I mean, if he trusted it that far, I trust it as far as that as well. It drives great. Heat's working beautifully. I'm gonna turn this off now. When pulsing out the gas here, you hear just a little bit of clunking in the rear, but that could be the diff there's just noisy diff. All the bushings are updated back there, so it should be beautiful. We're about to jump on the highway here, so I'll cut to that. All right, here we are cruising 100 kilometers an hour, so about 60. fifth gear at about 3,500 RPM, and it's beautiful. Temp gauge is perfect. Oil pressure gauge is perfect. Drives great. We're taking a left here now, left bend, but once it evens out, I'll let go of the steering wheel. There's no shaking in the steering wheel. Everything's beautiful as far as alignment goes, and wheel balancing. No weird noises on the highway. Just drives great. So let's go. Let go of the steering wheel here. Alignment's perfect. Very good car. We'll do a fourth gear. Just a little acceleration. 100, 110, 115, 120, 125. She's got plenty of power in her. The compression test on this thing was beautiful. All the cylinders are healthy. Very, very good car. All right, so we're about to pull onto the highway. The last highway entrance did not go well. My camera turned off. So we'll take this in first gear. Try to get this as much as possible. Okay, from a stop. Not gonna do anything crazy, but just roll into first gear. 6,500, it's beautiful. Clutch grab's beautiful. I don't like to take a car to red line. So 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. It's good enough here. She's super healthy. Beautiful car. All right, here is the underbody of the front of the car. See, this is beautiful, beautiful condition. Suspension. All the bushings were replaced too. You see there. See, oil pan looks good. Belts look great. Looks like a brand new alternator. Everything looks great. Here's the right side of the car. The pinch wells look great. Tiny bit of rust right there, but great so far. Let's see what else we got. Underbody is so good. Frame's beautiful. Here's more pinch weld. It looks like just all surface rust. Doesn't look like any corrosion. Nice. Typically they're bent like that. People jack them up over the years. This looks great. All right, here is the rear of the car. Starting on the left side here, up in these pockets. I know there's a little bit of rust in the spare tire area, so I'll show that, but I want to show the underbody in as much detail as I possibly can on this side, so you can see, or you can see, that it's not bad whatsoever. I think that's a spot up there that's in the spare tire area. But everything else is beautiful. See all those bushings, all those were replaced. The owner cared deeply about this car. Looks beautiful. All right, last side is the left side, the passenger side. Again, just surface rust here, it looks like. Front pinch welds, they're all just folded over, which is typical. This is carb compliant for California, so I think that all must be legal, which is cool. Rear pinch welds are great. Yeah, those bushings you can see all over. Frame looks great. Everything's beautiful. All right, here is the spare tire area. Let's start up here first. The drains on the side are beautiful. There's just dirt, looks like. Everything looks good. So here, in the spare tire area, there's these little guys there, right around here, and there. And then on the side here, looks like the spare tire pieces are there. This is all broken stuff, but that little clamp part is there. Anyways, this is what I wanted to show you guys from the video. This is the corrosion. Probably be best just to get this piece where all that silicone's at cut out and a new piece welded in, because everything else on the outsides looks great. Looks beautiful. The rear strut bar there. But yeah, that's about the worst of it right there. That, the spare, and then some over here. Just this area. Also, there's some spare parts included as well. Some brake rotors, some Project Mu pads. Let's see if we can open this up really quick. Get some drilled and slotted rotors, the original headlight housings, a new rear mirror, weather stripping. That's supposed to be for the spare tire cover, and that's it.